Hi guys, today I'll show you how to boot into safe mode on Windows 11. Safe mode is useful when your PC is not working properly. For example, if Windows is crashing, apps are not opening, drivers are causing problems, or your PC is stuck after an update, safe mode helps you start Windows with only the basic files and drivers. This makes it easier to fix the problem. Let's see the easiest ways to enter safe mode. Method 1. Boot into safe mode from Settings. Use this method if your PC is working and you can open Windows normally. Open Settings, click System, click Recovery. Now find Advanced Startup. Click Restart Now. Windows will ask for confirmation. Click Restart Now again. Your PC will restart and open the recovery screen. Now click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings. Click Restart. After your PC restarts, you will see a list of startup options. Press 4 to enable safe mode. Press 5 to enable safe mode with networking. Choose safe mode with networking if you need internet access. That's it. Windows 11 will now start in safe mode. Method 2. Boot into safe mode from the sign in screen. Use this method if Windows opens but you cannot log in properly. On the sign in screen, hold the Shift key. While holding Shift, click the power icon. Now click Restart. Your PC will restart and open the recovery screen. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Now press 4 for safe mode or press 5 for safe mode with networking. This is useful when you cannot access settings but still reach the login screen. That's it. This is how you boot into safe mode on Windows 11.